Allow me walk you through how I find profitable setups using a very simple trading system that I've always talked about on this page. This system is so easy, my students and I refer to it as the same old piece of shit. This is why we call it that. We have realized that oftentimes nothing much really changes and it's just the same old piece of shit every single time, right? For us to be able to do this, one of the things we do a top-down analysis where we start our analysis from the higher time frame. Very simple day trading strategy that literally anyone can use. All right, and I'm going to show you. So the first thing you can actually notice is how price has literally had difficulties going below this level, right? So we can see that price has found some sort of support area around this level. Here's the thing, I want to keep this video as short and straightforward as possible, so I'm just going to mark up my levels and then explain the trade to you after. All right, so on the 4-hour time frame, guys, we can see how price has been moving in a downtrend. However, price has failed to create a lower low after this lower high right here. It failed to create a lower low, but instead created an higher high, indicating the possible a possible bullish reversal, right? Also, the next thing we can notice is how price is now retesting our daily level right here. So dropping down to 1-hour time frame to further validate our analysis, we can see that the same thing remains on the 1-hour time frame, which literally means that the most reasonable thing for us to do or should be looking for right now would be buying opportunities. I always try to make a plan B. So this is the plan. If price breaks below this daily level, then we can take a quick sell towards this level. All right, there are other confluences that we look out for in the academy before we jump into trades. We always like to take high probability setups, and there are ways where we verify if a setup is an high probability setup. However, right, if price remains above this level, if price retests this level, which we can see that it's doing, and rejects off this level, then we can look to take buys towards this level. But of course, we're going to take some profit right here because we can see how price experienced a lot of difficulty breaking above this level. So apparently we don't want to gamble with our profits. We want to take some profit at that level and set our take profit to break even, right? So for us to get into a trade, we're going to drop to the 15 minutes time frame. That's how we basically are able to find trades with higher risk to reward. All right, so let's play and see how this works. Now we can see that price has continued to dip, right? It did not reject our level, which means that we literally just avoided a loss simply by following a simple rule. We need price to reject and confirm before we jump into any trade. Right here, we can see our price is now breaking down towards this level. However, we do not have any confirmation to jump into a sell. So until we see that, we are not going into a sell either. So we can see no bearish confirmation. We can now see bulls step back into this market. However, we are still not going to jump into a trade immediately. We want to see price close and stay above this level before we jump into that buy. All right, so now we have a clear bullish confirmation. All right, here we go. There she goes, guys. There she goes. Boom, first TPH right there, right? How many pips was that? About 35 pips easily, guys, easily, literally without doing too much. All right, just look at that, guys. Like, that's straight to profits, very easy, no complicated analysis, nothing whatsoever, just simple, straightforward day trading strategy for a beginner to follow, right? If you want to know more about this form of trading, ensure you're following this page, like, comment, and share this video to somebody who may need it. Of course, hit the link in my bio if you want to learn the full detailed form of analysis. It is literally very easy to follow, guys, and it is suitable for every beginner on